Sneeze, nature's air cannon. A sneeze can blast out of your mouth at over 100 miles per hour, faster than most cars speed down the highway. That means every time you sneeze, you're launching a microscopic storm of droplets into the air at breakneck speed. These tiny droplets can travel up to 26 feet, carrying whatever was lurking in your nose and throw it along for the ride. That's why a simple achoo can have a huge impact on the people and surfaces around you without anyone even noticing. Scientists have captured high-speed footage that shows just how explosive a sneeze really is, revealing a shocking cloud of particles spreading out in seconds. It's basically a biological air cannon that can reach people you didn't even know were nearby. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, remember you're about to unleash a force more powerful than you think, sending invisible projectiles racing through the air at supercar speeds.